In this lesson, we will understand how navigation works in .NET MAUI using App Shell and the navigation stack. Since our SalesTrack application moves from login page to main DB page, it is important to understand what happens behind the scenes. AppShell.xml defines the navigation structure of the application. It allows us to register routes and organize pages using flyout menus or tabs. Think of it as the navigation blueprint of the app. In app.xml.cs, the main page is set to app shell. This means the entire navigation flow is controlled by the shell container. Navigation in MAUI works like a stack of pages. When we move from login page to main DB page, the new page is pushed into the stack. When we press back, the top page is popped from the stack. When the login is successful, we create a new main DB page and push it onto the navigation stack using push async. This displays the new page while keeping login page underneath. Push async works only when the page is inside a navigation page container. This container manages the navigation stack internally. We pass the login name value into the main DB page constructor. This allows us to transfer data between pages securely without using global variables. In shell-based navigation, we can register routes and navigate using GoToAsync. This is a more scalable approach in larger applications. Common mistakes include forgetting to wrap pages inside navigation page or not awaiting the navigation call. Always ensure async navigation is properly awaited. In enterprise applications, navigation flow must be carefully planned. Proper navigation architecture prevents confusion and improves user experience. To strengthen your understanding, create a new test page and navigate to it using push async. Observe how the back button behaves. In this lesson, we explored how navigation works in MAUI, understood the navigation stack, and saw how push async moves between pages. This prepares us to build our login logic in the next section. Well done! You have completed lesson 3 on App Shell and navigation in .NET MAUI. You now understand how App Shell defines the navigation blueprint, how the navigation stack works, and how push async moves between pages while passing data securely. This knowledge is critical because it ensures smooth transitions between screens and prepares you to implement login logic with confidence. In the next lesson, we will dive into async and await, an essential concept for handling API calls in our SalesTrack application.